Bonjour from La Brasilia.
Bonjour.
Finally, we have the bakery.
Macaroons.
Next, we have the vegetable market.
In here we have the restaurant and the bar.
There's an ice cream shop just inside.
Oh, that's our favourite one, isn't it? Just over there. There we have the rotisserie plus the delicatessen. And it does pizzas
Snack.
and snacks. Pizzas are really good over there. And then in here we have a small shop that you can also rent stuff from, can't you?
Yeah.
And then over here,
There are many spots to place your bikes and many benches around this area.
and then we have
The
the wine shop, which is really good.
A souvenir shop.
Souvenir shop. And then,
A hair salon.
hang on, we're doing that in a minute. The hair salon, as Oliver says.
And then finally,
Boutique
there's an ice cream shop on the end.
and waffles as well, isn't it?
Yeah. And smoothies.
Maybe. So round the corner here is the spa. There's also a wash place around the corner there. Over here we have the games room for children, which is quite good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So ping pong area. We've been in the Brazilian club, which is very like a Cuban experience, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then,
There's a mini playground.
yeah.
And we've got the activity area,
Yeah,
which is being cleaned up from last night's phone show.
Yeah, and tonight we've got the Lion King performance. There's another part of the swimming pool.
Which we will take you around in a minute.
Down there are some multi-activities courts, another entrance to the beach. In here
Is the gym, only accessible to adults.
well, over 15, isn't it? And that's really cool as well, isn't it? So it's just in there, it's really good. And there's weights down the fire in there. It's really good. There's the entrance to the massive swimming pool, which we'll take you around later. And I think that's good. Should we go for an ice cream?
Yeah, at the arcade there is many things. Basketball, pool, air hockey, and many arcade games. And it also leads in to the restaurant. And they have 2 massive screens and fans on at all times.
What are we doing now? We're going now.
We're going to get the ice cream shop, which the best part about is ringing the bell to let them know you're here.
What are you going to have, Ols?
This is the main pool at La Brasilia. It is a lane pool with 2 rope lanes and a big pool at the back which is heated. Bonjour from La Brasilia.
and a big pitch. Water, waste and electricity inside there. And very spacious. The bonus is it's right next to the toilet block.
We are heading to the dog at La Brasilia. Our picture's number 69 and it's 2 rows away from the beach.
One row away, I think. Notice the dog poo bags everywhere.
Flowers on the right and places to store your bike on the left.
Dogs allowed. And this is the dog friendly area. And over there you can see Dexter. Our class of 3 flower pitches have water, waste and electricity. They're all over 100 square metres and they are classed as less than 200 metres from the beach. 5 shower blocks, one there, one 2, and there is another one down here. I would say about 50 metres from the nearest shower. Over the road, this is where all the chalets are. Quite a few nice chalets. Go right here, on. Let me go right here. And then down on the gravelly area here, these are classed as less. These are classed between 200 and 400 metres. Again, nice spacious pictures. And these have stones on them as well. So we are currently there on the map. And then behind us we have the swimming pool. So more caravan pictures down there. Yeah, we'll come back to that in a minute. And on the right hand side we have the reception, which is really useful. And then we have the cube where you can book numerous activities and days out and likely tourist information. So quite a few of the little message boards around. Let's go!
We had a great week at La Brasilia. Please like and subscribe so we can make more videos.